Let everyone join, then we'll begin with the questions from this chapter. And we'll take questions from male reproductive system. Okay. So Maria, what will be the answer in this second one? What will be the answer in this second one? This one. The ladies' cells are found in their secretory source of what?
Androgens. D.
Yes, yes. Which is the main androgen, beta? Which is the major androgen? If I'll ask you major androgen, what will be the answer? What would be your answer if I ask you major? What is major androgen? Anyone? These are all previously asked questions. Okay, which I'm taking over here. What would be the answer if I ask you what is the major androgen? Then what will you answer, guys? Anyone?
Estrogen.
Testosterone, beta. Not a, estrogen is in female, not in male. Okay, there's a little amount of that. Then next one. We also asked 19 or 20. Last year also they asked this question again. If for some reason the vasa efferentia gets blocked, okay, if for some reason the vasa efferentia gets blocked, then gametes will not be transported from. So what will be the answer?
A.
What? Please, I'm not able to hear. I'm not able to hear. What will happen then? It will get blocked then. Gametes will not be transported from testis to where? If you remember, it will go to the epididymis to the vas deferens. So the blockage will be from where? It will be A or B, guys. What will be the answer in this case? What will be the answer in this condition? Testis to epididymis. Will not be able to go. Okay. What will be this? Okay, now let me ask you someone. Nandini, what will be the answer in this case? Fourth one. What will be the answer?
A.
A.
Okay, very good. Can you name the temperature? What is the temperature usually?
2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than normal body temperature.
So it will be somewhere around 34.5 to 35 degrees Celsius. Then why this is not working? You're talking about the fifth one. Okay, let's say talk about the fifth one. So, Steve, what would be the answer, beta? Steve, this fifth one, what would be the answer?
C.
C.
Okay, very good. Just a moment. What would be in this case? What would be the answer in this case? What would be the answer, beta, in this case? Sixth one. Come on, we already solved one such question. So it will be what?
B.
Rated test is no vast difference.
Okay, sure. Yes or no? B?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So ideally it is in contact with the epidermis, but then it is what we refer as to vast difference between the epidermis. What will be in this case? Seminal plasma in human male semen is rich in what? It is from the, this is from seminal vesicle. The fluid from seminal vesicle is rich in what? Anyone? Manushi.
A.
Is answer. Phosphorus and calcium. Okay. Phosphorus and calcium. And what about the next one? Same question, but the options are different. Same questions, but the options are different. So what will be in that condition?
D.
A. What B? Fructose and calcium is, but there are no enzymes, so it will be same. This will be A. Got it? Now you see in NEET, remember they don't give colorful diagrams. They just give this black and white and rough diagrams. So you have to judge from the textbook diagrams. Okay, if they ask. Since last two years, they are not asking usually diagram based questions. So what will be the case in this condition? You have to identify the A, B, C, D. So A is what? Yes. Oh, just think. It is the front view. Remember the front view which we talked. So A is guys.
Sir, answer is A. A.
Why? Why you just said the word? So what is the A part labeled? That is it? What is it?
Vast difference. Vast difference.
Okay, then.
Seminal vesicle.
Okay, then it will form ejaculatory duct over there. Then on the way there will be prostate, and then there will be
Bulbourethral gland.
So this is A is vast difference. Then we have B as the seminal vesicle. It will come and will get along the form the ejaculatory duct. Then it will go past the prostate and bulbourethral. This you should know. So the answer in this case. D, yeah, what would be the answer better in this case?
C.
Okay, very good. So these were some of the previously asked questions from take about the gametogenesis. We'll take questions about the gametogenesis. So what will be in this condition? 19th one, this one. Manushi, what will be the answer, beta? Yes, beta. Sorry, we have to cover. Okay, sorry. We have to come back. We have to. That is, after we'll be able to answer after menstrual cycle. Okay, just wait. Okay, now but you can be able to answer this. This answer this 20. Answer this. Which are diploid? Which are diploid?
Spermatogonia.
Metagonia.
Okay, very good. Okay, so these are spermatogonia are diploid. Here these are diploid, so we will refer to them if they are 2N.
So what is meant by polar body?
Wait, beta, this will come, that will come in oogenesis, not in this is I am right now we're talking about only what we have covered. Okay, we'll cover that polar body in the female oogenesis. Wait for that. That is the next part. I'm just taking the questions of the male gametogenesis. Okay, so what will be in this case in this 25th one? Just a moment, let me, I'm getting a call, okay, so let me mute it for a while. Okay, yeah. So Parthraj is entered and we'll welcome Parthraj with this question. So Parth, what will be the answer in this case, beta, this 25th one? Parthraj, what will be the answer in this case? Okay, Vrishti, what will be the answer? C. Obvious. C.
C.
This is again same question. What will be in this case? Parthraj, can you answer? Parth, can you answer this? The one I have highlighted. Urvi, what will come? But this one.
primary spermatocytes.
First meiotic division, beta.
Secondary
Yeah,
spermatocytes.
secondary spermatocytes. The secondary. Girls are very much smart over in our class. Boys are highly timid. Okay, I don't know whether they exist or not. Okay. What will be in this case? Answer. Nandini, can you answer?
2.
Forms from secondary spermatocyte data. How many are formed from single secondary spermatocyte? How many are formed from secondary single? Then you have to explain the logic also. It will be 2, but how?
4.
2 beta, how? By M1, single N, from that 2. So it will be
1.
2. 2, 2.
Sorry, sir, 2.
I'm asking the logic, okay? You justify your answer. That was what I was asking, okay? Got it? Single, there will be 2, no? M2, meiosis 2. Okay, now one more thing I would like to explain is about the chromosomal thing, okay? About the chromosomal number. You might be knowing, but we should know, and because as we go further, that knowledge is required. Just let me on the presentation. So see, over here, you should know that a human male produces 2 types of sperms. I hope you know that. We come further also. But if we talk about a human male, then it has 46 chromosome, as you might be aware. This is in the diploid cell. So it will have, out of this, 44 will be autosomes, while sex chromosomes are, these are sex chromosomes. They also come in genetics, but we'll need it in fertilization. So I'm going on to this. So I'm explaining this over here. This will be what we call as autosomes, under sex chromosomes or allosomes. So human male is ideally, you can refer to human male as 44 plus XY. 44 chromosomes and XY, 45, 46. So there are 46 chromosomes or 23 pairs. So out of this, when the sperms are produced, that is 50% of sperms will be 22 plus X, and 50% of sperms will be 22 plus Y. Okay, so the sex of the child or baby depends on the sperms, not the female. So if the baby, if it's a baby boy, it will be this sperm, which will fertilize the egg cell. And if it's a baby girl, it will be this sperm. Why? Because female will always, human female will always produce, if you know that human female is always 44 plus XX. So it will produce only single type of eggs, that is 22 plus X. So the eggs will always contain X chromosome. The eggs will always contain the X chromosome. So this will be only one type of egg. while the sperms in human male will be of two types. That is 50% will be of this type, 50% will be of this. Will be 100% this type of eggs. This is haploid. These are also haploid, as you know. So, see if this will go on with this, then the baby will be 44 plus XX. So it will be female. If this will go, then the baby will be male. Got it? So this you should know. Okay, this you should know. Male is always this, female is always. So the sex of the child depends on the chromosomes which comes from father, not on the mother. Sex of the child depends on the father. Okay, just for your. So they may ask you that how many different types of sperms are produced. Then your answer must be two types: 50% containing X chromosome, 50% containing Y chromosome. Okay, so you got this much, guys? This thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Female will only 100% all the female eggs are containing X chromosome. Okay. Now, what do you refer from for practice? Okay, I mean, I would just like to know because I have not talked ever to you. So, are you all targeting MBBS? You can just answer one by one. Okay, D, are you targeting for a NEET or what for board?
Both, sir.
Okay. So, your preferences are which branch you would like to go? શેમાં જવું છે બેટા આગળ? Dia, are you here? Manushi, what about you? Manushi, what about you, beta?
Yes, sir.
What are you targeting? Are you trying for NEET or for what? Or any other branch?
NEET and MBBS both.
So obviously MBBS you got from NEET only. Arya, what about you?
Boards.
Both means NEET and MMO. Anything else apart from MBBS you are thinking?
सर
Yes, better.
पर नीट के पेपर में पहले बायोलॉजी का सब्जेक्ट लेना पहले फिजिक्स लेना सॉल्व करने के लिए ये टाइम बहुत कम मिलता है.
I'll tell you. Okay, we'll also take conduct test once we are done with the chapter. Okay, and also if you need any of the books also I'll share in the group the previous questions and all. Okay, so see everyone, there is an unsaid rule that you have to solve three things. You have to refer lecture notes, textbook, previously asked questions, and NCERT exemplar. Okay, and NCERT exemplar, and also for practice I will share you the questions. So you two are only supposed to do those things. So whenever you appear for the paper, I always advise my students to solve the biology first. So you must be able to solve 90 questions of biology, out of which probably you have to, I don't advise to attempt more than 80 because to minimize the wrong answers. So I always advise that you have to finish your 80 questions within 40 minutes, 30-40 minutes, and it can be done. Okay. Most of the students who prepare for NEET, they are able to answer 80 odd questions in 30 minutes, half an hour they are able to answer. So they can utilize 1 hour in chemistry and almost the rest of the time in physics, because you need more time in physics. Okay, biology you can easily answer if you are well prepared. Okay, in 45 minutes max. That is the max I'm talking about. Okay, so you'll need only maximum 45 minutes. Otherwise, on an average 35-40 minutes you can answer, and if you are really good you can answer in 25-30 minutes. Okay, Nandini, so what's your target, beta?
Sir, board and NEET.
So what branch you are thinking apart from MBBS? Urvi, what about you?
Sir, board only.
Okay, so what branch you are thinking?
Sir, BSc Biotechnology.
I would advise don't go for biotechnology BSc, rather go for applicative branch. Okay, I am also a master's in biotechnology, but it will be better at master's level, not at the bachelor's level. Okay. Either you go for
Okay,
a
sir.
biochemistry or a zoology, or microbiology. Okay, so this is all we have in the human male reproductive system, and we end it with over here. I'm not starting new topic today. Okay, I'll share the practice sheets as well as the previously asked questions book in your group. Do you have NCRT exemplar or not, guys? Do you have it? Are you solving that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so keep solving NCRT exemplar also parallelly, because most of the times they're asking majority of the questions in good set are also coming from exemplar, and even in NEET they're asking 10-15 questions from exemplar. We will also solve it, okay, once the chapter ends, and we'll also keep the test once the chapter ends. Okay, today I also sent theory questions which you have to complete by Tuesday. Okay, and you have to for the board purpose. In the group I'll be sending that. Do you want previous year's questions books? And also I'll share that in the book in the group. Okay, and the practice sheet also I'll share in the WhatsApp group. And then if you have any doubts, you can ask me from there. So we'll meet again on I guess I will be meeting on Wednesday or Tuesday, I'm not sure, and then we can continue further. Okay, I'm leaving you early because I'm not starting a new topic because only we have 4 or 5 minutes left. There is no point. So when we'll meet again, we'll start with the female reproductive system, and female gametogenesis will be next in line. Okay, guys. So this is all for today. Go through this from textbook, from this lecture notes, and if you need my notes also, I can send you the scanned copy of it. So if you are interested, you can put me a message, I can send it to you. Okay, so to how to write and all. Okay, so you have to learn how to write answers, theoretical answers also. So this is all for today. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, guys. Take care.